KC ಜನರಲ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ICU ವಿಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. KC ಜನರಲ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರದ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗಳ ಪೈಕಿ ಹಳೆಯ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. 30 ಹಾಸಿಗೆಗಳ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯದಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಗೊಂಡ ಈ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಕಾಲಾನುಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದು 453 ಹಾಸಿಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡ ಬೃಹತ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ. ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯು ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಅತ್ಯಾಧುನಿಕ ಯಂತ್ರೋಪಕರಣಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಬೃಹತ್ ಕಟ್ಟಡಗಳ ಸಮುಚ್ಚಯನೊಳಗೊಂಡ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಸಮರ್ಥವಾಗಿ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಲ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೂ ತ್ವರಿತವಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೌಕರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇದು ಕೇವಲ ಕೋವಿಡ್ಗೆ ಸೀಮಿತವಾಗಿರೋದಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೂ ಇದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು.
I am the Executive Director of RINAC India Limited. We were responsible for designing this M-squared ICU, 50-bed ICU system, and it was indeed a great opportunity for us. Mr. Ashwath Narayan Foundation has given us this opportunity, and with the help of the donors, we were able to create this in a very short time. It has got all the latest gadgets fitted into it, with all oxygen supply, compressor supply, and it can be transported and built in place at very short notice. It's a very unique concept, and I believe that this kind of modular ICUs is what is required to bring public health care to remote villages where places are inaccessible. We can transport these containers and put them up very quickly. So I'm extremely happy with the Chief Minister Yediyurappa ji, Ashwath Narayan ji, and other ministers for having come and seen this, and they have appreciated this design, and I hope that we will be able to do many more such projects in the future, supporting the healthcare for the Karnataka as well as India.
So when we were first approached for this noble cause, it really didn't take us more than 10-15 minutes to say yes, because what was told was that this was going to be ICUs done so fast, and it is really the need of the day with ventilators, HEPA filters. So actually I went along with with Deputy CM sir to RINAC found their facility in Magadi Road just to see how it is, because he was very keen to show us donors that wherever we are putting this, it is being put to good use. It is being bought at a good price, and the quality is top notch. So we are so glad to be helping the state of Karnataka and its people. Thank you.
Yeah, congratulations to the Chief Minister. Congratulations to the Chief Minister and Dr. Ashwath Narayana for taking this initiative to bring in the modular ICU concept to KG Hospital in Malleshwaram. It is their absolute interest in providing as much facilities as possible for the people around there, and during the COVID period this 100-bed ICU has been installed, and it is a very nice initiative, and I congratulate the entire team. Thank you so much. Balasubramanian from RINAC India Limited, who has provided this facility. Thank you. And also one of the donors.
This has been built by RINAC. It is a concept which was brought out at the time of COVID, because this is not our main focus. We are into cold chain and modular construction. We brought this out for the support of the COVID. Now we are extending it further as primary health center, because India needs a lot of primary health center support. So we will be working on this to give primary health center as well as trauma centers in the same concept. That is what we are planning to. And all the best to KC General Hospital and the Ashwath Narayan Foundation for doing this. This is a clean facility. This has been a modular construction. This where we stand right now is the health facility, health module. When you say health module, right side of this is the doctor's monitoring area. Left is the washroom and change room. This is only for the doctors and the health professionals. From here, the major advantage is all the bed vitals can be monitored here on these screens, and through camera all the patients can be monitored from here.
Oh, very nice.
Also you have calling facility in case a patient want to call somebody over and about this will And there is a public address system also provided to announce. And the major advantage here is, another thing is, you can play music across, a light music for the patients all the time. Okay. Entering this is a module corridor, which is also air conditioned. And either side,
Zoning also.
Oh, okay.
yeah,
Okay.
there is a air curtain which has been provided, which will divide the air, restrict the air mixing up. This is one module which have 5 ICU beds and ventilators. Everything is connected to the central monitoring system. Later, this can be uploaded to a stage where even telemedicine can be directly incorporated. So totally 50 bed is provided here. This is donated by each of the people.
Like, Brigade
This is by the Brigade Foundation, there is by the Salapuria. Emergency exit in case the an alert.
They change the dress. No, they won't mix it with the.
So how do you feel the whole concept?
No, it's good, sir. Later on we can use this, no? COVID, second wave will not come in. Like those who have finished their post-graduation, no? Compulsory they have to work for the government. See, each one have their own, thinking of going somewhere further. So they were forced to work in our government. So we have a parliament. In case if they don't go, go ahead with the